Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. So today I have a Walgreens video for you guys. These deals started today, which is February 13th, and they are good up until Saturday, February 19th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload weekly videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay, you guys, so in today's transaction, I had two issues. My first issue was that my $5 digital coupon for my big razor didn't come off. And then the second issue I had was the Bouncy paper towels ringing up incorrectly. So I am going to explain all of that to you all. And then also on this transaction, I used a paper booster, get $9 in Walgreens cash when you spend $40. And then I also used a paper booster, get $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend $50. I will also have a Google document linked in the description box below. So the first thing that we're going to go ahead and start with is going to be this Airwig scented oil warmer. So this is priced at Walgreens for $2.49. We do have a $1.99 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $2.49 minus that $1.99 digital coupon, that brought the total down to just 50 cents. And then next up, I purchased this Big Soleil Smooth Razor, and this is priced at Walgreens this week for $5.99. We do have a $5 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $5.99 minus that $5 digital coupon will bring your total down to just 99 cents. And then I purchased the Dove Men Care body wash. And then I also purchased two of the Dove 6-bar soap packs. So these are priced at Walgreens for $7 each, or 2 for $14. But I purchased 3, so each item rung up at $7. So for all 3, my total came out to be $21. The deal is when you buy 3, you will receive a $5 registry reward. So $21. I did use a 7 off of 2 digital coupon for the Dove bar soaps, and then I used a $1 digital coupon for the men body wash. So that's a total of $8 in digital coupons that I used. So $21 minus the $8 in digital coupons, that brought my total down to $13. I supposed to have received back a $5 registry reward, but I did not receive it, you guys. Nothing was wrong with the Catalina machine because it did print me out a booster. So it was nothing wrong with the Catalina machine. My $5 registry reward just did not print, but I did contact customer service and they did credit that $5 to my account. So $13 minus that $5 registry reward will bring your total down to $8 for all 3, or it'll make each item just $2.67. And then lastly, I went ahead and I purchased 4 of the Bouncy Essential Paper Towels, and these are priced at Walgreens this week for $5.24. The deal is when you buy 4, you will receive a $6 registry reward. So with this deal, first off, the Bouncy paper towels rung up incorrectly. And then also my $6 registry reward did not print. Now, one thing that I've been noticing every time this deal comes around is that whenever I grab the Bouncy Essential Paper Towels, my $6 registry reward never ever prints. Lately, it has been happening. Whenever I purchase all Tide, my $6 registry reward prints with no problem. But for some reason with the Bouncy, it just doesn't print. Let me know if this happens to you as well. So instead of the Bouncy paper towels ringing up at $5.24 each, they rung up at $8.49 each. So when I got my receipt, I noticed that my total was a little bit high. So I looked at my receipt and I noticed that for each pack, it rung up at $8.49. So I went back in the store, showed her the ad, and she refunded me the difference. So total, she refunded me $13, you guys. So Now, let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt really quick. So there's the Bic at $5.99. There's the Dove at 2 for $14. There's the Dove Men at $7. The Airwig at $2.49. And then this is where all of the Bouncy rung up at $8.49, totaling me $33.96 when it should have been $20.96. So there is the paper booster that I had. Get $9 in Walgreens cash when you spend $40. My $7 digital came off for the Dove, $1.99 digital for the Airwig, $1 digital for the Dove Men Care. And then I also used 2 registry rewards. I used a $3 registry reward and a $6 registry reward. As you guys can see, my $5 digital coupon for the Bic did not come off. So subtotal came out to $44.45. But I got back this $13. So $44.95 minus the $13 that I got back, that brought the total down to $31.25, right? So $31.25, but I have to add in both of these registry rewards. So when I add in this $9 in registry rewards, it actually brings my total to $40.95. Okay, so $40.95, and then down here, you guys, in Walgreens cash rewards, I did receive back $21.55. Now, of this $21.55, $9 came from the paper booster of spending $40. $10 came from spending $50. That's from the digital booster, and then the $2.55 came from the extra Walgreens everyday points. I supposed to have received a $5 registry reward for the Dove and a $6 registry reward for the Bouncy, but I did not receive that. So again, total $40.95. I got back the $21.55 in Walgreens cash rewards. That brought my total down to $18.70. Then I contacted customer service and explained my issue to her. She credited me a total of $16, $5 for the Dove, $6 for the Bouncy, and then $5 for my digital coupon not coming off for the Bic. So $18.70 minus the $16 that I got back from customer service. That brought my total down to just $2.70 for this entire transaction, you guys. So I am happy with this transaction. Just make sure that you are checking your prices when you get to the register. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to give y'all the update on the registry reward. So if you are planning on doing the Dove deal, there's a chance that it may or may not print the registry reward. And like I say, guys, whenever you contact customer service, depending on who you get, they will credit your account, or they may just tell you to fill out a Catalina form so that you can receive your Catalina in the mail. But before I do that, I always chat with customer service first, just to see if they can just go ahead and credit the amount to my account. So that is it, you guys. Let me know down in the comment section what you all are getting this week at Walgreens. This is just round one for me. I also have an online order that I placed, so I'm going to do a video on that as well. But don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. I submitted my receipt, and I think I got like 230 something points back. So if you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points, which is $2. So again, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.